Spirit team, I would like to connect with you and be able to ask some questions from those who are seeking answers. Please allow me the opportunity to connect with you in a deeper manner. We are grateful for this connection and thrilled for this deepened relationship. We are happy to answer any questions. Is the CERN particle accelerator a stargate? CERN will help assist you in understanding different aspects of consciousness. It will tell you more about the universe, how particles work in unison, and also how colliding particles at increased speeds, the reactions that are caused from that. CERN is not a stargate. It is a tool devised to assist you in different aspects of understanding. It can better assist in the human comprehension of how your consciousness creates and molds physicality. But it is not a stargate. Thank you, team. Is it for us as souls, the earth, the most difficult place to work and live? Our task. This is a confusing question. So to simplify it, is for souls, earth the most difficult place to grow and expand? Earth is, at this point in this part of the galaxy, the planet most likely to ascend. There are others in the galaxy that are relative to where you are that can also experience growth and change. But Earth currently is on its ascension run and will be the most sought after. You are able, as mentioned in prior question, to mold reality. And for others, this is sought after. To be able to adjust, adapt, or enhance physicality. Some species have, through technology, forever limited this opportunity. And so they may be technologically advanced to a point of exploring the universe but they are not able to use their bodies to ascend. And so, with that, they require other beings to help bend reality to their liking. And you in humanity have experienced this already, but that is all going to change. The majority of those types of beings are relinquishing their grasp and moving towards other places to reside. Thank you. Do primitive life forms like insects, bugs, have a soul? Yes. Each living being in every aspect of creation has a soul. They are in varying degrees. As you are aware, a human soul is going to be different than an animal soul. An animal soul is going to be different than an insect soul. A tree soul is going to be different than an insect soul, and so on and so forth. But all beings that you are experiencing have a soul. What is the definition of a soul? An aspect of creation is what has come forward. Thank you. Are we not remembering our past lives and not knowing life after death because this knowledge is not necessary for our current life? That's a great question. You are finding that in different levels of ascension, you are able to unlock more of your understanding prior to this current incarnation.